Are you thinking of hiring an agent to sell your property? Before you decide, let me share your story that could change your perspective on what really matters. Recently, I just listed a property for my clients, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,110 square foot property. They trusted me to handle the sale and get it done right for them. Just 3 days later, a home right across the street came up on the market, slightly bigger at 1,170 square feet, with the 3 bedrooms and 2 baths as well. Here's the 2 homes. The other home was even nicer, and it didn't have a $50,000 issue that our property did. You'd think that home would sell for more money and faster, right? Well, you'd be wrong. Our property sold first and for $40,000 more. Let me show you how we made that happen. Have you ever heard of geo-fencing? What? That's okay. 99% of agents out there probably haven't either. Geo-fencing allows us to create a digital boundary around a different location. For example, we drew a geofence around the other property across the street, so anytime a buyer or agent walked through that geofence and visited that other home, we could then retarget them with advertising from the content I created for our property on the Meta platform and the Google Display Network. And not only that, we can target other homes in other cities that are similar to your property, and they might not even consider your area. We can draw a digital boundary around homes that match your price range and criteria and that are competing with yours, so anytime a buyer walks into that property, we can then retarget them with advertising of your home. Do you see how powerful that is? Yeah! We also send physical mailers to local businesses and neighbors. You'd be surprised how many people want to live by where they work so they don't have to commute. Let's talk about open houses. A regular open house is kind of very hit or miss. Most agents just throw it up on the MLS and cross their fingers, and that's pretty much all they do. That's why we host a grand opening event. We drive traffic using targeted ads on YouTube and the Google Display Network, including Meta and Instagram, targeting buyers, inviting them to come to that open house for the weekend, letting them know that the house is available and ready, and in some cases we'll even have a taco truck there to draw in visitors. This creates a lively atmosphere and makes people even more excited to want to come see the property. So what was the result of this? Well, bottom line is we sold our property for $990,000. The home across the street sold theirs for $40,000 less than what we sold our home for, and we had a $50,000 foundation problem that they didn't have. And their home was bigger and nicer. And it was literally right across the street. That's why who you hire matters. If you know anyone thinking of buying or selling, or just wants a free home evaluation, click on the link below. Let me get you the best deal possible, because you deserve more than just the discount broker. You deserve more money, a better experience, and a smoother transaction. Give me a call.